I assembled a mess rolling cart. I'm joining the team. This is that tells you what to do it. Hunter pack. See, there's a lot of supplies in here. Oh, come on. Take it. I'll put it down. Okay, do it. Oh my, what's this? What is this? Oh. Be careful. There's a lot of stuff. A lot of help taking it out. I'm going to take this out. It's actually... Oh my goodness! That was oh my god! That's hard. This part too. Wait, how hard is it? What? I got 2 rods out. I can tell you how. I know. This put it on the ground. Put it on the ground for now. Oh, no. Let's go open this. Be careful. No. Now we see on his head. Alvin, be careful. No. Be careful. Want to help me or not? There's a lot of wheels. You already touched it. You can already open this. I'm actually doing Pokemon.
Wait, it stopped.
Is it? Yeah, can you hold this one for a second?
Okay.
They did this. I can't even do it. Is it because he's holding it so hard? Is it because you're holding? Ow! You're holding it so hard.
No, if I don't.
Yeah. Oh, I did the wrong way. This is the way. Are you gonna help? Get this spoon. Get the spoon. This is always impossible to make it still.
Where do I screw it?
Yeah, but we need 4 screws. There's like this hole here. Well, how can you make this straight? Oh, that hurt. Oh, you did that. Oh, do that the last. Do that the last. It's really easy. This is a basic. Actually, stop. Do that the last. Do that the last. You just. Oh, it's so easy. Stop right there. Okay, anyway. I already had the screw. It has its own screw. It's getting so big. I don't think so. This fits. It does not fit. I think so. You have to take the screw off and then put it in. Take it off. Wait, first. Oh my God, it's done. I'm gonna look down if it's perfect. I don't think it's perfect, but you start to see the layer that's going up. That's perfect. It's perfect. I can't. Moving here. You're moving. There's still. I'm looking. I think that's wrong way. You're doing the wrong way, I think so. I'll go through. It's like, no, run! This!
Yeah, that's idea.
I don't have no idea. We did that. You gotta fix the wheels again. Hey, give me that. It's wrong.